Hello traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com, and here is the S&P. I may even show you a trade that I was talking to the people in the chat room about right at the close of the day also. But anyway, here we are. The Dow ended actually up today. Pre-market futures were down and everything come crashing down. Dow was down 100 plus points, and then at the end of the day we had a major rally. We come back. At one point we were all in positive territory, and then right at the very end of the day we come crashing right back down. And so anyway, NASDAQ down, S&P down, the Russell's down. Russell's taking the biggest hit here. And what's noteworthy is the VIX closed below 30. Very interesting to see that. That would be a bullish level if it can sustain this area. And so we'll need to watch that pretty closely here. The S&P daily, we just have consolidation. This is a high base formation. Go to freetradingvideos.com, click on Chart School, and go to high base formation, and these are bullish. And we have consolidation going sideways here. In sideways markets, I don't call bullish haramis, bears, dojis, engulfings, hammers, whatever. In consolidation, they don't mean anything. No reversal candles. They don't mean anything in consolidation. So all we have is sideways high base. I'd be looking forward to breakout up above 950 if we can get this. But I'm telling you, this area right here is going to be above 950. Let me see what that's going to be here. Pull over my hash marks. In that area, we're going to have to get past. If we can close higher than 958, especially if we can get over 960, that would be very powerful. Now, what do we have going against it right now? One, we're way overbought. We're up here, everybody's begging for a retracement, and once it starts to present itself, you're going to have a lot of bears come into the market, including myself. The other thing that has going against it at this moment is this bearish divergence. Do you see how the trend is going up? Well, the MACD set at 592 is going down. Bearish divergence, that's a bad sign. As of right now, we continue the negative ticks to the bearish side here. That means we had a crossover and we are heading down as far as the MACD is concerned. So pay special attention to that. And like I said, I would show you LDK. It's a solar stock. A lot of people have been talking about LDK for a while, but you don't want to just jump on something that's basing sideways. See these moving averages? See how we're caught up in them? Don't trade something that's caught up inside the moving averages. Let me show you a couple different things here. Let me get a couple trend lines drawn. There was some talk today in the chat room here at Free Trading Videos about LDK. And I pulled it up and I thought, oh, it grabbed my attention because of this. See the triangle that we have? Triangle, 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 triangle. Symmetrical triangles. These can go bullish or bearish, but the thing that had my attention was we were hovering above these moving averages. You can see the moving averages here. Those were acting as support, not resistance. So that had my attention. Then all of a sudden, pow, boom, we get a nice pop. We busted over the $10 whole dollar amount, and we did so on volume. Grabbed my attention. I like the positive tick here on the MACD, and we're heading up. So I want to see some continuation here. I did add to my position right at the end of the day, and I did hold overnight. I could exit as early as tomorrow morning. I'm just letting everybody know this could be a long-term hold, or I could exit very fast. So don't go and buy something just because I happen to be in it, because I could be out in the first 30 seconds of the market tomorrow. So just be just keep that in mind. So anyway, I am still holding feed. A lot of people asked me about this one. I was shocked to hear that when I was talking about feed down here, when the volume come in, I entered, that a lot of people entered with me. And be careful because I'll tell you, I could have exited that the very next day. This happens to be a long-term hold. I like that it busted over resistance here on volume, and we stay above my EMA moving averages. And we're above my 8 and my 11 EMAs. I like that, and I'll continue to probably hold this one for some time. And just in, wow, 1, 2, 3 months, this dude has gone from a $2 stock to almost an 8. That's almost a 400% gain in 3 months. Not too shabby for that. So there you have it. Free trading videos where the freedom to learn gives you the power to profit, and we will see you in the chat rooms. Boy, has that been fun. The chat rooms is where the action is. Until next time, always use a stop loss when you're trading.